Hey, this is Chap Warno. Hope you're having a great day. This is the last video of the series of the 7 videos. Even though there was 8 videos made, I made 2 for the same one. But today's video is about how to get access to my free AI prompt generator tool for unlimited content ideas. Never run out of ideas again, basically, is what this is going to do. Working with either ChatGPT, Gemini, or with Claude or other AI writers. I'm going to show you today. Like I said, yesterday's video, we made one about free AI prompt generator tool for YouTube scripts, writing YouTube scripts that actually make great content for you to sell your products or services or whatever you want to use it for, okay? Make sure you watch that video. In the description, I'm going to actually, in all the videos, I'm going to put a link to all 8 videos of this series, okay? On my free AI prompt generator tool. Okay, so let's get into this new one today. That's going to really help you out a lot because a lot of people have a lot of problems with finding ideas for their business about different kind of content. So like I said, that's why I created the free AI prompt generator tool for unlimited content ideas. So basically, I'm going to give you a link here in a little while that you can do it. I just want to show you how I do things basically daily to get ideas. And on real world, I'm going to show you 2 different websites about how we can get ideas that can maybe help you with building your business yourself. Okay, so let me just scroll down here to the free AI prompt generator tool. And just like I start off with all my videos, I tell you this does 7 different features. The main goals, okay, it does blog posts, it does sales page copy, it does email sequences, social media posts, product descriptions, YouTube scripts, and content ideas that we're going to do today. And then you come over here and you matched up with the one on the opposite side, okay? So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some content ideas for my free 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts that people can get. I'll also put a link to this below that you can get access to this for free. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's see here, I'm going to get some ideas. I'm just going to copy this right here. So I'm going to come back over to my AI prompt generator tool for unlimited content ideas that I can use for this opt-in page for myself. Okay, so we're just going to go here, content ideas. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll it down here. And let's see here. We're just going to, let's see, we're going to get content ideas for, let's say for, because basically we can get content ideas for basically website, like your website / blog. You can get content ideas for your email list. You can get content ideas for your YouTube scripts. You can get content ideas about your sales funnel. You can get content ideas about for your social media marketing, and then you can get content ideas for, say, you have an Etsy shop that you want to do. So let me see what I'm going to do. Maybe I'm going to do social media. So I'm going to do content ideas for social media. So I always do beginners. You can do what you want. Whoops. Most people are beginners at things, so we're targeting that because people are trying to learn something. If you see my last videos, I always like to use friendly and encouraging. So you can use the other ones, which is, like I said, it's friendly and encouraging. Then there's one professional and authoritative, casual and conversational, high converting direct response, or educational and step-by-step. You choose whichever one's better for you. People like, people to be friendly and encouraging. So that's what I'm going to do here. Now, right here is you can pick either short or punchy, medium with clear sections, or long form and detailed. You can choose whatever you want to do. Most people don't have a long, short term. Basically people want things now. They want to learn how to do it now. And they don't want to waste any time because a lot of us have short attention spans, okay? So I just always do short and punchy, but you do whatever's best for you. So make sure you've got right here, put your thing right here. That's what do you want your content about? So I put get 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts to supercharge your business. So that's where we're going to get some content ideas. And like I said, you can pick any one of these right here that goes with this category right here in content ideas. We're going to do social media. So leave these checked right here. Click on generate. So now we go copy the prompt. And then I'm going to go over here to ChatGPT. And like I said, you can actually use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and other AI writers. Now we're going to come over here, just go into ChatGPT. Whoops, go into ChatGPT, new chat. And I'm just going to paste this in here. Whoops, excuse me. And we're going to see the outline that it's going to give us here in a sec and give us ideas here. Okay, so here's the content outline, quick overview, hook idea, beginner pain points, what the 3,000 prompts help with. Let's see here, snackable content ideas, beginner wins, call to action, then SEO section, like keywords, SEO, title, and meta description. Okay, so here's some content ideas that we have. And like I said, you're going to have to add your URL to this once you would paste them, post them into your social media accounts. But here's some ideas. So we go right here, get 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts to supercharge your business. So the hook right here is, feel like ChatGPT is smart, but you don't know what to ask. You're not alone. Most beginners open ChatGPT and think, what do I even type? Why is everyone else getting better results? Am I using this wrong? The problem isn't ChatGPT. The problem is not having the right prompts. Okay. So then we come down here, why beginners struggle with ChatGPT, and then basically it gives reasons why, okay? And then prompts equals instructions. So the more instructions you get to ChatGPT, the better outcome you get. So we come down here, what can you do with these 3,000 ChatGPT prompts? Gives you information of what you can use them for, okay? And then here's snackable social media content ideas, post ready. Like these are things you can post, in Facebook, Twitter, which is X, Instagram, all this kind of stuff you can post, in there. So, idea 1, quick wins, and then you have this one right here. Then idea 2, beginner relief post. And then idea 3, comparison post. Idea 4, confidence builder, and that gives you, the confidence builder of like what you put in there. And then you put this as your post, and then you put a URL that leads to whatever your content is. Or you don't even have to have any, a link to go to it. And then your idea 5, curiosity hook. Most people quit ChatGPT before it ever helps them. Prompts are why. And then you can put your link right there. Like me, I would put something there that people could get my 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts. Now, like I said, below this video, I'll have a link that you can get those for free. So make sure you check that out. It will be in the description and also the first comment. And then what beginners gain immediately. And then it goes over how ChatGPT can help beginners. Then a call to action right there. And then, like I said, if you want to write a blog post about this, you can use these keywords here. You can use this meta title description right here. And then meta description right here. This is the title and this description that you'd use in your blog. And then right here, ChatGPT is always, trying to help us out to do even more. It says, turn this into a Pinterest pin caption, write an X / Twitter thread, create Instagram carousel slide copy, or generate 30 days of posts from this theme. So there is so much that you can do. It's just, like I said, this prompt right here, this prompt that you can use is crazy simple. It literally takes less than a minute to do this. Fill out the information here with what you have, and then basically come over to ChatGPT. Literally less than a minute. Again, it's literally like, it feels like it's seconds. So make sure that you test this out today and you try out our free AI prompt generator tool for unlimited content ideas so you don't ever run out of ideas. But I want to show you another one, okay? So let's go over to my PLR product site, my PLRproductforsale.com website, where I have this free tool on. So let's just say this is me right here, chat board over, just if you want to put a face to who I am. Let's go right here. So let's just pick this. I have 20 different digital marketing checklists that help people out, okay? So we just come down right here. So I'm going to go right here. So I'm going to go right here and scroll down, click on these. And let's just say I want to start promoting some of my, my free checklist. So let's just pick Oh, let's pick TikTok. So we go right here. And then basically what I do is I'm going to take this title right here, and then I'm going to just paste it here. And then I'm going to give more information, because remember what I've told you in the other videos. Make sure you keep putting more information, because the more information you give, the better output that ChatGPT will put out, or your different, Gemini or even Claude. So I'm just going to copy all this right here, come up here, just copy that. And then we're going to come back over here to the free AI prompt generator tool for unlimited content ideas. I'm just going to paste this right here. And then we're just going to leave this all the same thing. We're going to do content idea for social media again. And then we're going to do beginners, friendly, encouraging tone. I'm just going to use short and punchy again. Leave these checked. Then we click right here and it generates us a new prompt that you can use in your AI. Okay, we'll just copy the prompt right here. Then we'll just set up a new one, new chat. Then we'll just paste that in here. And then, like I said, less than a minute, you're going to get some great ideas to help you. Okay, so here we go. So we're just doing this right here. And then here's the outline now. Strong hook ideas, short form content ideas, educational, carousel, story-based, and relatable content ideas, authority building content ideas, CTA focus, promo posts, keyword, SEO keywords, and then SEO title and meta description. So basically, like right here, here's our content ideas for the ultimate TikTok growth checklist, 100% free. Okay, so we go down here and we have all these ideas that I can use to help promote my free TikTok checklist. Okay, so we just come right back up here. You can see this right here. So we come down here, video idea number 1, why most TikTok accounts fail, and it's breaks down why. And then video idea number 2, right here you can do three things, or let's see, idea number 2, 3 things TikTok rewards in 2026, tells you right there. And like I said, you can have a URL right here, whatever you're promoting. And you can come down here, carousel idea number 2, from 0 views to real growth. And then just keeps going down here more and more with different ideas. Authority building content ideas, gives you more ideas there. And like I said, if you copy and paste this into social media, make sure you have a URL if you want to promote something. And then, like I said, if you want to make a post, with your blog, you can take these keywords right there and put them in your keyword tags, and then use this as the title to your blog post, and then use this as your meta description. And then, like I said, ChatGPT is always, and other AI models too, are always, asking what they can do next for us. 30 days of TikTok post prompts, short form video scripts, Pinterest pin ideas, email promo sequences. So you're never going to run out of ideas with our free tool, and with whatever you're choosing to use, either if it's ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, or one of the many other AI writers. But like I said, I'm going to put the link below so you can get access to my free AI prompt generator tool for unlimited content writing ideas, so you never run out of ideas. I'm going to put it in the description below and in the first comment below. And also, too, make sure that you post, some of your, some of the prompts that you've created, URLs to your website that show, how you've done this, links back from some of your social media of, the prompts that they've actually wrote different kind of, social media content for you. We're here to help. This is a community. We want to help each other out and want to help each other take their business to the next level. So make sure you post in their comments, in the comments below. If you have any kind of questions, make sure you post those below. Make sure you share this video and you subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this with anybody that you think this can help. Then also share our page right here with our tool. You can share it from here with on Facebook, Twitter, which is X, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Reddit. And we really appreciate that because, like I said, we're trying to help as many people as possible. That's why we've created these tools. We're going to create other free tools in the future too. So stay tuned for other videos. We're actually going to create a prompt generator that will create a prompt for you that you can, create YouTube thumbnails. And then we're also going to create a free prompt tool, AI prompt tool, that's going to generate prompts for you to create infographics for yourself too. So stay tuned for those videos ahead in the months to come. But like I said, thank you so much for watching this video about our free AI prompt generator tool for unlimited content ideas so you never run out of them. And like I said, I'm going to have a link. I'm going to have 8 different links below this video in the description that's going to show the other 8 videos. So if you've missed any of them, you can actually watch those. Again, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this series, and I hope that our free AI prompt generator tool will help you take your business to the next level. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in our next video. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.